Alrighty, guys, we're done. Look at these corners. The customer is not home yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my walkthrough, get my video out the way. Here we go. Good view. Here we go. There's a lot of concentrated urine right here, and then back here, in that corner right there, this corner, and that corner. All this whole area. Cats look like they was having a field day. That's all right though. Not no more. Smell fresh in here. We go back here. I gotta take a picture of this one because I actually put it in the picture. This thing you can take pictures. I don't know. I'll come back to it. Here we go. I got some carpet damage. Need to get fixed. This carpet is pretty damaged. So she's trying to salvage it. It's an apartment. They didn't want to change it out. So she's trying to do the best that she can to maintain it. So guys and girls, if you have cat urine, pet urine, dog urine problems that you need to be fixed, call Jimmy at Pro Scout Commercial Cleaning Services, 980-205-3337. Thank you.